How to fix Callisto protocol crash at launch issue on Windows PC. 1. Verify Callisto protocol game files. 1.1 in Steam, 1.2 in Epic. Games Launcher, Path, Library. The Callisto protocol manage. 2. Launch the Oculus app, followed by Callisto protocol game. 3. Update your GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Lower settings, if you are using a lower-end PC. Upgrade your hardware if possible. 5. Update the ActX and Visual C++ redistributables, aka Microsoft Visual Studio. 6. Update both your Callisto protocol and Windows. 7. Run the Callisto protocol.exe as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Like this. 8. Add an exception for the Callisto protocol.exe in your antivirus. Plan B, turn off Windows Firewall and antivirus software. 9. Laptop players, switch to dedicated GPU. 9.1 NVIDIA GPU, 9.1.1 add the Callisto protocol.exe into manage 3D settings. Like this. 9.1.2 select the preferred graphics processor and use high performance NVIDIA processor. 9.2 AMD GPU, 9.2.1 head to Radeon settings preferences additional settings power switchable graphics application settings. 9.2.2 add the Callisto protocol game to allow it to use year high graphics performance. 10 download and install NVIDIA's game ready driver v527.37. 11. Launch the Callisto protocol in Windows Clean Boot. Notes: 1. You may need to disable the Razer Central app from running along W/your system. 2. Close unnecessary background tasks, such as some monitoring software. 12. Disable both input per game setting and overlay in Steam. 13. Adjust power management options. 14. Restore your overclocked CPU or GPU to the default configurations. 15. Uninstall, reinstall, and re-update your new Callisto protocol. 16. Make the game use DX12, add DX12 into Callisto protocol launch options.